Let's continue from our point and we'll add a second point. Also an XYZ component. Maybe we can simply copy and paste the 3 sliders and connect them also to the X, Y, Z. And now we have the second point we can control. Maybe shift the Y coordinate a bit. The next step is connecting both points using a curve component. We go to the curve tab, and then we have the primitive panel, and there we have a line component. Create a line between 2 points, so we drag it onto the canvas. And a line component needs 2 inputs. A point input for the start point of the line, another point for the end point of the line. So now the 2 points that we created are connected to the line. Here we see that the line is selected and it's highlighted in green in the Rhino interface. And we can still control it, control the position of the point. And as a consequence, the line changes. This is a fully parametric example, and it's so trivial, but it's in fact a bit stupid. We can easily create a line in Rhino and just drag the start and the end point. But be patient. This is just a small introduction. It will become better over time.